On the farm here we have 100 hectares. We have 40,000 trees. 25,000 of those are lemon, 5,000 seedless, and we have 15,000 imperials. We knew that the irrigation system needed to be upgraded. We were originally running with just small crop dripper and it was breaking down. I decided that I needed sprinklers. Everyone in the district had sprinklers. I contacted Netafim and spoke to them about it, and they advised me to continue with my dripper. I just needed the right dripper for the job. During the installation of the new drip that we bought, we fell behind in the fertiliser program. So we went to liquid fertilisers as a means of catching up. We were injecting the liquid fertiliser and it was going through the system within 20 or 30 minutes, and we knew that we had to be a lot more precise with our dosing. So we then went to Netafim and spoke to the Netafim guys, and they suggested that we go with the Nutrigation Pro and the automation, which we did. The benefits are quite amazing. In our first 12 months with the Nutrigation, we saved over 25% in the fertiliser, which paid for the investment in the first 12 months. With the Nutrigation, you're able to apply the fertiliser extremely accurately. With the growth of the lemons, we went from 1 mil in diameter per week to 2 mils per week, which is double. And it gives me an opportunity to introduce, with the automation, pulse irrigation into the orchard. This year, I used 5.1 megs of water per hectare to produce 86 tonnes. Industry standard is 6 to 8 megs a hectare for 40 to 50 tonnes. We use AgriChem for all our fertilisers. They're all liquid fertilisers, and AgriChem's product itself is second to none. The Nutrigation is such an effective tool because it allows us to be so precise with our fertigation and irrigation. And with the cost of farmers occur today, you really have to be that way. With the liquid fertilisers and with the Nutrigation combined, putting it together as one package, putting on less fertiliser has to be good for the environment. Since we've had the Nutrigation in place, I've saved one person's wage straight away. So for 40,000 trees, I personally do all the fertigation, irrigation and cleaning of the system. I can just go in weekly and see exactly what I've put on, exactly how many litres per tree, of how many units of nitrogen per hectare. And having that reliability allows me then to go out and do other things and not have to come back and babysit the system. As an example for reliability, I did over 12,500 ships of water with my new system over 30 months, and I've not had to call Netafim at all. I've never met a company that's more dedicated to growing more with less. They truly mean it, which is certainly the case with us. We put on less water, we put on less fertiliser, and we've got better quality and bigger yields, just thanks to Netafim and the Nutrigation.